Hi guys, may adlaw. So for today's video, natay parcel na abot na isikan sa atong gipalit. Ato ni check on sa ning item. So come on, ito i-unbox. So ato ning gi-order guys, and kung ano siya, gi-release ni siya pag atong Toycon last November. So gi-order ata ni online sa Instagram. So excited ako ani guys. So this is it guys. So first box is this one. It's Nira by Zone, Filipino toy designers guys. It's number 3 out of 15. So let's check this out guys. So what's inside the box is this card, certificate of authenticity card, this Zone stickers guys. Next is this Zone figures accessories niya guys. Mask I think, alternate. This is the figure guys. Oh wow, I think it's broken. But I will try to fix this guys. Sorry, pa-fix na to. Someone we know. So balik siya guys, but ma-fix ra ni. That's it. So it's signed by the artist guys. Sayang kay nabali, but we'll fix this one guys. Next is this one. May tag wala ni nabali guys. This is one. I hope wala lang dyan ni nabali. So this is the block. It's one of. So this is it guys. Ding 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 ding. So it still has the certificate of authenticity, the stickers. Sorry guys, nidali ko kay let's check. Ay salamat. The accessories and the figure guys. So this one is intact, signed by the artist. And thankfully wala siya na damage guys. And sadly guys, nagyapon siya damage.